Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to record directly into PowerPoint now. First, open the deck and position the slide you want to begin with. Make sure your microphone and camera are connected and selected in Windows or Mac OS. Once done, check levels by speaking and watching the meter. Reduce gain if clipped. Make sure to disable notifications and close other apps that use the camera. Then go to the slide, show tab and click Record Slideshow to start capturing audio and optional video. You'll now capture narration and video in context. Choose Start Recording from the Slideshow tab and select whether to record slide and animation timings, narrations, and ink. Speak clearly and naturally. Pause between sentences to give yourself breathing room, and advance slides when you're ready so timings reflect your pace. If recording video, frame yourself, enable background blur if needed, and use annotation tools to highlight content in real time. Save frequently. PowerPoint stores. Finish by playing the slideshow end-to-end to confirm audio and video sync. If a slide needs retakes, select the slide, open Record Slideshow, and re-record only that slide. Use clear recordings to remove old audio. When satisfied, export to MP4 via File Export. Create a video, pick resolution and whether to use recorded timings. Quick troubleshooting. If audio is missing, make sure the mic isn't muted, check app permissions, and verify playback device. Replace a single slide's audio if corruption occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.